Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathii na mbere wega macambiki hamwe na eroreri na fellow news presenters ni matungwo ni kieha makiria fraternity ya Royal Media Services ni undu wa kiundu kia kimatiga matagwitikia before twaria ici njitikiria gukaribisha ringi ni undu wa gwitikira guthii na mbere gutwarana na ithui niguo kamukira maria mareyumiria. Kenyans ni matungwo ni gikeno oriri Citizen TV ethiete na mbere na kumatiga na ihoru kona some good news makoro makiamukira from TV47 ni ati mumemerekia ukiri ngumo nene muno mumemerekia wakoretwo ki grace screen setter cia KTN News and also kuria kwa K24 ni agukorwo riu akiingira station uyu wa TV47 ethiete na mbere na gwika mogaruruku na kongwo ni ironekana ikiingira ma TV neta Citizen TV na igakorwo ikioya some of their presenters kule magikorwo makianirira ati Betty Kialo will be soon joining the news team kana ni agukorwo agicokereria wira uyu wa guthoma mohoro agukorwo akijoin team eno na ni step TV47 ni agikorwo ikioya oriri gukoretwo na uncertainty thutha wa mumemereki urari ngumo nene muno ogwetwo Victoria Rubadiri aragikorwo akianirira ati she will be exiting Citizen TV and joining the news team ya Korea CNN. Betty Kialo worked with stations at KTN News kwa miaka mingi before quit na kujoin Media Max K24 TV na agikorirwa quit that station during the COVID-19 pandemic ni undu wa mathina maria magikorirwa magiface media stations nyingi guku bururi-ini. At that time Betty Kialo ni agikorirwa kiuga ati she will be taking time off screens, but later thutha wa miaka ya gukinya hakuhi ena she has joined TV again na agikorwo akiingira TV47 news desk agikorwo agitiga andu na ihoru kona Citizen TV ni ragithie na mbere na kurwo ni andu makire ngumo nene muno ta Willis Raburu uria wagikoretwo akiingira TV47 though he exited the station after a few months of working there, na ni twagikorwo tukiona makirehe mumemerekia ungi ukiendetwo muno na Citizen TV gathi na mbere na lose some nice faces, some good news presenters no ni tuguthie na mbere gukorwo tugieterera maria magukiumana na mwena wa Citizen TV and also TV47 na ni kuona feedback area akenya magikorwo magike. I don't know what is your take pertaining Betty Kialo joining TV47 tukorwo tukiaraniria down the comment section thie na mbere na kwirorera video shito tucemanie na next one.